2007 Ford Expedition 5.4 Triton motor. This is one of those ones I guarantee you Ford engineers were laughing their ass off when they said, oh, you get to change one of these? Good luck. 3 simple bolts. That's it. 3 bolts, 1 for the main power, 1 for the control. That's it. But Jesus Christ, getting to them is beyond stupid. All right, you think, oh, you can get a wrench on it? Nope. The wrench will not fit. You'd have to use open end, which say you have an opportunity of stripping. You literally have to use a socket to get on it. Problem is, you can't get to that top one with this. You can't get to the side one with this. You can get to the bottom one with this. I had to come up with just god-awful stupid engineering in order to be able to get the extension out far enough past the starter in order to get it. But you can't go too far. This is a 4x4. There's a brace right here. So you literally have inch and a half worth to work with. So if you don't have your right extension set, right socket, right swivel, it's not going to happen. You'll be cussing every single effing engineer in the world. I was after about 20 minutes. It was just stupid. Just stupid. See, here it is. Not big issue. Down on the bottom, not so much. Still can't really get anything in there. I had to use a stubby 3/8 ratchet just to bust it loose. One up there, same thing. Can't get a wrench on it. Can't go on the side. The exhaust is in the way. So if you, oh, by God, want to drop the exhaust, go right ahead. That'll work. The top one that you can't even see, you can only feel it. And see on mine, I've got the beautiful brace for the 4x4 system, and that just makes it even more stupid. But this thing only pays like an hour, and I'm on like 0.999, and I got it done. So I'm gonna go hook the battery back up and see what we have. There is really nothing I can tell you that's gonna make this any easier except for go buy a bunch of 3-inch extensions, 6-inch extensions, some swivels, swivel sockets, and you just make whatever you can do to get to it, because yeah, there's not really a good trick for this one. I had to use a different setup for each bolt just to get it out. Ugh, that's all I can say about that. But it's pretty plain and simple. You're just gonna be cussing. Please like and subscribe. Any questions, feel free to let me know.